ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV Best Settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV Best Settings. The ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV is a 27-inch 4K LED backlight HDR display with a 178 degrees wide view IPS panel. It offers a wide color gamut with 99% DCI-P3 and 99% Adobe RGB coverage for exceptional color reproduction. Kalman verified and factory pre-calibrated to achieve Delta E2 color accuracy for professional level precision. The monitor provides extensive connectivity options, including DisplayPort over USB-C with 96-watt power delivery, DisplayPort, HDMI, and a USB hub. Its slim profile and compact base allow for a neat setup, while the wall-mountable design helps maximize desk space. The ergonomic stand supports tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments for a customized and comfortable viewing experience. Designed with green sustainability in mind, it uses paper packaging and meets energy-efficient environmental standards. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.